right, trying something new today. I have my phone sitting on this blue bucket so you can see me doing my word work, but I would love it if you would do it along with me. We are going to play our CvC word game. So if you have a whiteboard or a paper and pencil or anything right now, please do it along with us. So I am picking a word from our word pile, and I have do you know what this is a picture of? Can you see it? A wig. So we are gonna sound out and stretch the words to see if we can spell this CvC word right. So let me scooch that over. All right, you write down what's the first sound you hear in wig. Wah, wah, wah. Yep, W. All right, now we're gonna do the middle vowel sound. Remember, it has to be A-E-I-O-U. Wah, I. What letter says I? I, very nice. Wah, I, G. Good, G, very nice. Wig. All right, let's check it and see if it's right. W, oops, sideways, W-I-G, wig. Check. All right, let's do another one. What do we have here? Sun. I'm checking to see if you can see it. Very good. Sun. All right. Let's sound out sun. What's the first sound you hear? S. Good. S. Middle vowel. U. Awesome. Last sound. Sun. N. Very good. Let's check it and see if we were right. S-U-N. Sun. Check. We did it. All right. How many are in this frame? Oh, I got to cover up the answer before you see it. 10. That's right. All right, let's sound out 10. Ready? T, 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 T. Middle vowel. E, T, N. What letter says N? N. Awesome. All right, let's check it and see if we were right. T-E-N. Check. We got it. Oh, I dropped my marker. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Ah! All right, got it. Uh-oh. Let's see who's next. Bat. All right, let's sound out bat. B, b, b. A. T, t, t. Good job. B, at. B-A-T. Did you get it right? Check it off. Awesome. You guys are really good at this. All right. Let's see what's next. What color is this guy? Red. I'm going to write down here now. All right. What's the first sound in red? R. Middle vowel. E. Very good. Last sound. D. Very nice. Let's check it. See if we were right. R-E-D. Check that off your board. Awesome sauce. How about this guy? This is that thing the toy that spins around. It's called the top. All right, what's the first sound you hear in top? T. Middle vowel. O. P. Oh, I told you the answer. P. You were going to say that anyways, right? Let's check it. Top. Very nice. Check. Let's do one with a U in the middle. Just gave you that answer too, huh? All right. This is the underwater sub. So let's sound out sub. What's the first sound you hear? S. Middle vowel. U. Sub. B. Very nice. Let's check it. Sub. Rockstar. All right. Here is a recycling bin. So let's sound out bin. B. What letter? B. Middle vowel. I. In. N. Awesome, you got it. Let's check it. In. Bin. Check. Let me erase my board. That was a lot of words. Let's keep going though. We're doing this so well. All right, next on the Price and Right is mix. Let's sound out mix. What letter says M? I, X. X, awesome. Let's check it. M-I-X. So stinking smart. You did it. Let's pick a couple more. Let's do pop. Pop that balloon. What's the first sound you hear in pop? P, P, P. P. Middle sound P, A. Oh, P, A, P, P. P. Very good. Let's check it. Ding, 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 ding. You did it. All right. Let's see. Oh, look at this cute dog. He's so cute. What do dogs do when they're really excited with their tail? Do you know what they do? It's called wag. All right, let's sound out wag. W, w, w. W, w, a. A, good. W, a, g, g. G, very good. W, ag, wag. Let's check it. W-A-G. Check. We did it. Erase. All right. Ooh, delicious. I'd like me a McDonald's hamburger right now. The top of the bread is called the bun. Let's sound out bun. B, b, b. B, the middle vowel. U, b, un. N, very good. Let's check it. B-U-N. Check. You are so smart. Let's do one more and we'll wrap this up for today. Oh, it's a bed. Bed. B. What's the first sound? B. E. E. B. Ed. D. Good job, D. Let's check it. B-E-D. Check. Ding. Now that you've practiced writing your CvC words, I want you to ask your mom and dad to help you listen to the CvC word wrap or any of the Jack Hartman CvC stretchy word snake songs that will help us read and write our CvCs. See you soon.